Today we're diving deep into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a machine that redefines what luxury travel can be. This isn't just a recreational vehicle. It's a rolling statement of craftsmanship, technology, and indulgence, built for those who believe the journey should feel just as remarkable as the destination itself. From the moment it comes into view, this motorhome commands attention and respect. Up front, the unmistakable presence of Rolls-Royce is impossible to miss. The iconic Pantheon grille stands proudly, crowned by the spirit of ecstasy, setting the tone for everything that follows. The silhouette is elegant yet powerful, carefully sculpted to balance aerodynamic efficiency with timeless luxury. Smooth surfaces, sleek finishes, and modern LED matrix headlights give it an automotive grace you'd never expect from a vehicle of this size. It looks less like an RV and more like a bespoke grand tourer that just happens to be enormous. Step inside, and the transformation is immediate. You're welcomed into a bespoke sanctuary crafted to the highest standards. Hand-stitched leather wraps nearly every touch point, while polished hardwoods, plush wool carpets, and custom fabrics create a warm, refined atmosphere. Every material can be tailored to the owner's taste, making each motorhome a unique expression of personal style rather than a mass-produced interior. The lounge area feels closer to a five-star hotel suite than a traditional RV. Ergonomically designed seating invites you to relax, while ambient lighting subtly shifts to match your mood or the time of day. Storage is cleverly integrated throughout, hidden behind beautifully finished panels so functionality never disrupts the aesthetic. It's a space designed for conversation, relaxation, and quiet moments on the road. The kitchen continues that sense of extravagance. An induction cooktop and convection oven make real cooking possible, not just reheating meals. A wine chiller, full-size refrigerator, and even an automated coffee machine ensure that gourmet experiences travel with you. Whether you're parked beside a mountain lake or cruising through open desert highways, the kitchen delivers the comforts of a luxury home. Moving toward the rear, the master suite offers true retreat. A king-sized bed dressed in premium linen sits at the center, surrounded by soft mood lighting and generous storage. The atmosphere is calm and private, designed to help you unwind after long drives. Adjacent to the bedroom, the ensuite bathroom is fully sized and unapologetically luxurious. Marble accents, premium fixtures, and a spa-like shower turn daily routines into moments of relaxation and rejuvenation. Technology plays a major role in elevating the experience. Smart home integration allows lighting, climate, and entertainment to be controlled through touchscreen panels or an AI-powered voice assistant. Biometric entry adds security and convenience, blending modern innovations seamlessly with old-world craftsmanship. Everything feels advanced, yet never intrusive. Beneath the elegant exterior lies serious engineering. The anticipated powertrain is a V12 with hybrid capabilities, producing around 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it delivers smooth, confident power. A lithium-ion battery, regenerative braking, and hybrid assistance aim to improve efficiency without compromising performance. Adaptive air suspension, all-wheel drive, off-road tires, and hill descent control mean this motorhome isn't limited to pristine pavement. It's built to handle tougher terrain while maintaining Rolls-Royce's signature magic carpet ride. Advanced noise cancellation and refined suspension tuning ensure a whisper-quiet cabin, even at highway speeds. Of course, this level of opulence comes at a cost. Starting prices are rumored around $450,000, but bespoke upgrades, custom finishes, solar roof panels, and extended battery options can push that figure much higher. Maintenance requires certified Rolls-Royce care, adding to ownership costs. Maneuvering and parking demand planning and production will be limited, increasing exclusivity. Ultimately, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a mobile palace, a symbol of unmatched luxury and ambition. Like, comment, and subscribe for more extraordinary vehicles.